Hey guys, Mark from Mr. Mark Films here, and I want to show you something awesome. Look at that. I have just created that. It took like 5 hours, and now I'm finally done with it. With a little bit of help from my parents. So, yeah, it turned out pretty nicely. I'm glad that I show you guys that. But wait, what am I hearing? No. Oh, that took ages, and now it's falling? You gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Uh, well, this is so annoying. I'm speechless. That took 5 hours, and now that 5 hours was done for nothing. So, guys, this is Mr. Mark Films here. Peace out. I'm so pissed off right now. So, goodbye.